What's up, fellow lovers of YouTube? It is, what is today? May 5th? I'll put it here. It's May 5th something, it's May something. We are going, is it the 5th? We are going to Missouri. We're fixing to hit the road in the cars. We're going for Sinhitchke's wedding. I said that really weird. Anyway, I braided my hair. I'm all ready. I'm in Dad's clodhoppers. Because the one we're here didn't have any shoes really for me to wear. Just a pool and everything under construction. Granny's new little house that's still getting done. And yes, I will turn this on when we're on the road. On the road again. All ready. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Let's go. And the trip begins. I need to get a selfie for you guys. Alrighty. And we're on our way.
Road trip. His wedding. Road trip.
Here we are at stop number what? We stopped at the bank, Dollar Tree, General, McDonald's, McDonald's again, other bank. This is stop number 6?
Probably so.
Stop number 6. So in true us fashion, nut job fashion, as you will remember from the last time we went, which I'll try to leave it up in the cards, we stopped 12 times before we left Oklahoma, before we even left.
We had to stop
To get gas. So it's like 7. So we're on like stop number 7. We're at Taco Bell.
Mom, did you give me too much money? I think I owed like
Delicious.
It's fine. I didn't get
But I'm gonna get some Cinnabon Delights and some water. And then we got a taco burrito and a taco. And then we're on the road. And my braid's coming apart. That's irritating. I need to get my hair highlighted a little bit more. So we're good. Let this epic day begin. Our epic day is just somewhat kind of started. Granny wants to show you her little tiny skillet bowl. She had this last time. This is how you discovered it. Wasn't it last time you got it? It was the first time. And we made the funny joke about, you know, my God, that's going to be really full. What? Open what? This? Oh,
that's the one from last time.
that's cute. That's smart. That's where I get that from. Using things like that, because in my purse, this is a life hack for you guys. Instead of having to buy those little containers,
Life hack.
a life hack, I use the Tic Tac things. Those are my cards for my camera, and then I have this are all my battery chargers and stuff. And then I have all of my earrings are in that one. These are my earphones. And then in my bag I have earrings, and I took the little thingies that come with earrings that go in, and I put 3 earrings that I wanted to wear this weekend on there, and then I put it in one of these little thingies so I don't lose them and they don't get in my bag or nothing. So I am very smart.
Good job.
My bag, and then this is for, I don't have makeup on today, but when I need touch-ups, I have my little kit of, so yeah. I'm gonna eat my little tiny little Cinnabons now.
Yeah, I always just think of cracked open for like to come out, and then I was like, Granny, Kevin's in there. So I ran, slid, jumped in the car. We floored it. Then we passed the mama and we're like, crap, it's Kevin. So we floored it again. Then we went over to Dad's house, and then there was another one, and then another one. She was following us. Yeah, and we got past them and we went down to the park where we feeding the fish that we made, or something like that. Yeah, and we were doing that, and there was toys here. Before we got to do it, we found out it was Kevin, so and we had to floor it past him, and then we went to the
Can you tell us who Kevin is again
Kevin,
for my vlog?
Kevin is the orange block, who's very scary.
And he's their leader.
He can turn into anything at any time. He's the mailman. His brother, Neil, is the UPS man. FedEx is Freddie. FedEx guy. He's one
Keep an eye out for Kevin. He could be out there with y'all. You never know. Could be disguised as one of you right now. Granny does look awful different. Cheyenne got one of these. What are they called, Cheyenne?
Fidget spinner.
A fidget spinner. I've seen this on Ellen. I didn't know.
I've been looking for one of those.
Is this right here, Oklahoma City, Little Rock? Is this what I'm going to do?
Try to like spin it.
Yes, to go back.
Okay,
We've took a wrong turn.
This is right around here. I know it is. We got to go back. Get on that road we were on.
So we're trying to backtrack and get back to where we belong. Love lifts us up where we belong. All you need is love. We think Kevin's in the tunnel?
I bet Neil's he's probably out the way.
Kevin's in the tunnel. Granny just said this always reminds her of Back to the Future. Another thing. Here's the tunnel, Mom.
We see Kevin on a hoverboard, alright?
Yeah. Yep. I think it's so freaky. It feels like it's nighttime
I like all the lights.
in here.
It's really cool.
It's really cool in here. Mom's like, you go through a tunnel? I said, yeah, it's a pretty big tunnel. I don't know if I'd go through a tunnel. And here's, like I said, Mom, when you come out of the tunnel,
Oh gosh.
you see
Kevin missed us.
the pretty trees, which you've seen the trees the entire time. But see how it's like, see, it's not all over the place and claustrophobic in you in. Is that a word? Probably not.
Yes.
See, there's some hills all up above us. Open spaces. Very pretty. See, Mom? I wish we were in a truck so I could see above. Because all I can see is that. See, Mom? See? Looks like a big boob over there.
When we lived in Houston, we went through that Washington tunnel all the time.
Uh-huh.
It's built under the ship channel.
Yeah.
And there's water and boats going across the top of it.
Like the English Channel.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what
Mhm.
the channel is like.
Yeah.
They should drive under it.
See, Mom? It's not that bad. I remember one time I think I was driving a little bit of a ways. And I think I went through the tunnel and stuff. And I was going the speed limit, which is like 65. She's like, oh my God. She's like, yeah, she got my foot. I'm like, I'm going 65. You don't have to go the speed limit. That's just posted there. I'm like, I'm on the speed limit. I want to get home. Like, am I supposed to go 40 miles an hour?
It's just a suggestion.
Yeah,
You
it's
don't have to go that fast.
It's like, you don't have to go the speed limit and you can stop in the middle of traffic to read signs. So, we're at a, is this a, what's it called? This is a
Playground?
resort.
Can we drive golf carts?
And
This is where we're going to stay, everybody. Look how pretty the sky looks.
Can we? I saw a bunch of golf carts back there.
I don't know.
Where the heck is the dang
We can. I'm gonna be
at?
happy.
Relax, we've got your back.
There
Welcome. Welcome.
we go. I put it in your name, Mom, so.
do I have to go in after pee?
Well, they may have a bathroom in there that you could use.
Guys, I just realized today is Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo. I don't know if we're going to do anything. Maybe we'll go eat some Mexican food. I don't know. Who knows? Or something. I don't know. But happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope this is out in the realm of that and not 4 months later. So happy Cinco de Mayo. We'll go to an elevator. Fancy
you?
stance.
Are you vlogging all this?
Yeah. I want to get my reaction.
No. Turn it over the other way. There you go.
Huh? Little loungy looking area.
Bathroom.
First bedroom, and then cool, and then here's a eating place. Cool. Awesome.
Closet.
Cool.
Wow.
That's cool. It's like a little kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, cool. We could have this bigger than my kitchen home.
Yeah.
We can bake Gabriel some cookies.
No, Pam.
How much are
I
they?
don't know where I am.
We have glasses.
Hey, they got
Oh, they have glasses and cups. Cool.
Is there any pans?
We might find one.
Let's give a tour.
Got pans?